You know, the great Regine can handle my questions, pero sasabihin ko to. It is an honor to share the stage with the greatest of all time. Ladies and gentlemen, Regine Velasquez, I'll give you more. Hello, my dear. Thank you for being here. Wow. A-list celebrity. Regine, umpisa na natin. Let's start with the first
Naiwanan ko
question.
na yan. Kulit naman yan eh.
So, Regine, sa dami mong ginawa sa career mo, you really have nothing else to prove, obviously. We've all been fans for so many years now. And you've set the bar so high for those who will follow in your footsteps, dito sa bansa natin. No? But of course, someone new will come along, someone younger, someone with a different kind of wrinkle style. Siguro yung question ko, sa point mo to, sa point ng buhay mo to, right now, nai-insecure ba si Regine Velasquez?
Ching.
Ever. Just like any other, lahat naman ng tao nakakaramdam ng insecurity. It's part of who we are. I mean, kung hindi ko may insecure, you also, parang hindi mo din mai-improve yung sarili mo. But the important thing is, you, like, I also feel that way. Sometimes. But I deal with it myself. I try to pinpoint kung ano yung may kulang, bakit
Pero
ko
yung insecurities na yan, is it because of someone new is coming along, someone
Well, as
to take
far
over?
as that is concerned, I don't. Because parang wala naman na rin akong karapatan na insecure. I've been in the business for a long time. God has blessed me tremendously. And it's like, if I feel insecure that another singer or a new talent comes along and yun na yung papalakpakan ng mga